Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile Lite. First, ensure your device has at least 1 GB of RAM and a stable internet connection for the best experience. Next, download the application from your device's official app store, which is typically free of charge. After installation, launch the game and log in using your preferred method, like a social media account. You will then be ready to begin your first match. Achieving smooth gameplay requires tweaking your in-game settings. For most devices, setting graphics to smooth and frame rate to extreme provides the best balance of visuals and performance. Consider turning off shadows to reduce strain on your phone's processor. Customizing your control layout, including button placement and sensitivity, significantly enhances your aiming and movement. Experiment with these options to find what suits your playstyle. Mastering the basic controls is fundamental to succeeding in the game. Use the left side of your screen to control character movement, while the right side handles camera rotation and aiming. Practice firing, reloading, and switching weapons until it feels natural. Pay close attention to the minimap. It shows your location, the safe zone, and even highlights nearby enemy footsteps or gunshots. Knowing these basics will make your early matches much smoother. Successful gameplay involves smart strategic choices from the very beginning. When dropping, choose a less populated area to gather resources safely without immediate conflict. Focus on acquiring a reliable assault rifle and a secondary weapon, alongside a level 2 vest and helmet. Always keep an eye on the shrinking safe zone, move early to avoid taking damage, and find good cover. These steps dramatically increase your chances of surviving longer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.